I'm Karen from Lavender and Lovage. Welcome to the new year and welcome to a new regime for me, because I'm always on a diet because I like food so much. But I think most of us probably do try and cut back in the new year and, after the excesses of Christmas and the festive period. And today I'd like to share a fabulous recipe with you that I'm actually going to cook in my ActiFry Genius XL machine, which has a 360-degree rotating movement, so that actually when you put the food in, it just rotates around and cooks evenly. It's all part of the New Year's Revolution campaign that Tefal and ActiFry are trying to promote, to try and get people to have food that they might normally eat in a restaurant or a takeaway, but it's what I call a fake-away, and it's far healthier. So today's recipe is an Indian-style kebab, and it's using chicken breast, which I've actually marinated in yogurt and all sorts of spices. This will all be shared on the recipe card on my blog post, by the way, so don't worry. And that's been sitting in the marinade for about an hour, but you could probably marinate it overnight if you wish, or even, well, an hour would be the minimum because you get all the flavours infused in it. And the only other ingredients in the recipe are the red pepper, red onion and garlic, which I'm going to cook before I cook the chicken. And then I'm going to use 1 teaspoon, well actually 1 spoon, ActiFry spoon of oil, which works out to be about 3/4 of a teaspoon per serving, because this recipe serves 4. And I'll serve it later on with lots of salad and a raita on the side, made with 0 fat yogurt, as is in the marinade, and a couple of small naan breads, because it'd be nice to have something to, to sort of mop up the lovely sort of juice